Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland, where I bring new and amazing crypto project for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. So today I'm here with another great project that I want you all to know about. So today in this video we're going to talk about WowEarn. WowEarn is an all-in-one Web3 app combining with functionalities of DeFi and SocialFi. So in this video we will discuss how we can download the wallet of WowEarn, how we can earn with WowEarn, all the details regarding to the project we will discuss in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell for upcoming latest video. Okay guys, so today in this video we're going to talk about WowEarn. You can explore, connect and earn with WowEarn. WowEarn is an all-in-one Web3 app combining functionalities of DeFi and SocialFi, and they have reward mining system which is powered by a proof of engagement. WowEarn is coin powers the WowEarn ecosystem, enabling seamless transactions and staking rewards. By staking WowCoin, users can support and security growth. Additionally, WowCoin holders can participate in the decentralized governance, helping to shape the future of WowEarn. So here we are to the link tree of WowEarn. We can find the details of WowEarn, that their website link, their social channels and all of their details about the project regarding to this project. So first we are going to check the details of the project. Here we are to the website of WowEarn. So we can see that we can explore, connect and earn with WowEarn. So WowEarn is all-in-one Web3 combining the DeFi and SocialFi transaction. You can join through their pre-sale right now, and you can download the this link from all the details. You can simply download the wallet from Google Play Store, Apple Store and APK files to download it manually. So here we are some of the features that WowEarn controls. The share and secure transactions. We can find that we can invite our friends with ease and peace. Some of the features are mentioned here. You can download the WowEarn wallet and start mining WowCoin. So here we can see the details of the total blocks and the average block time and wallet addresses. And here we have further their white paper, so you can join through the white paper. WowEarn is an innovative web application that monetizes how users engage with decentralized ecosystem by seamlessly integration and financial empowerment and gamified rewards. As its core, WowEarn transforms user participate into tangible value tasks based on the engagement. The platform incorporates a non-consensual wallet for asset management, offering multi-chain compatibility, secure private key storage, and the ability to perform cross-chain swaps. Additional integration affiliate program of 170 countries, more than support over 70 fiat currencies. So here we can find details that WowEarn further integrates SocialFi capabilities through WowChat and a secure end-to-end encrypted communication protocol that utilizes wallet-based and anonymous safeguard user privacy. This feature enables decentralized community-driven integrations and fostering the secure collaboration. So we can find the white paper to be able to understand WowEarn easily. So here we are the social channels of the white paper. You can join the social channels of WowEarn. You can join them on Twitter, follow them on Facebook, join them on Telegram, the Discord server link and Threads as well, to be able to understand the WowEarn easily, that how exactly this work and what is the basic feature of WowEarn. So you can go through the details of WowEarn. So all you have to do, download the WowEarn from your Google Play Store and Apple stores and APK files to download it manually, and you can earn with WowEarn. So again, WowEarn is all you need. So here we can find that you can supercharge your earnings by inviting your friend and you can earn more. They have more of their applications like community, etc. exact details. And here we can see WowCoin empowers the WowEarn ecosystem, enabling seamless transactions and staking rewards. And WowCoin holders can participate in decentralized governance, helping to shape the future of WowEarn. So we can find the details of WowEarn exactly. And then here we have the details of WowEarn, that how does it exactly work. And here we have WowEarn glossary of terminology and abbreviations like SocialFi, social finance, decentralized applications, end-to-end encryption, multi-chain, blockchain and non-consensual wallet, on and off ramp and sponsors. So we can go through the details of the WowEarn from here. And here we have their audit and KYC, that this project is audit proof, so you can completely trust on this. You can join the Wow community, so you can connect with friends in fully encrypted and anonymous place. Your data stays secure on your device, allowing you to interact fairly, and building a storage community with WowOn. You can enjoy private encrypted chats, enjoy safe, secure conversations, and build a strong, trusted community. So you can connect here now, and then some of them mine your WoW coin. So you can check this. Unlock the power of mining and start earning WoW. WoW can effortlessly active mining with just an app and watch your rewards grow as you participate in the WoW1 ecosystem. You can earn WoW coin in real time, increase your mining rate by inviting friends, and enjoy passive rewards with automated mining. So you can start mining now. You can complete quests to increase your mining rate by follow and join and engage to boost rewards, increase your mining rate by 5%. You can further increase your mining rate of plus 5% with each task and unlock higher rewards by completing social quest. You can start completing quest by clicking here. And then some of the experience the power of WoW and decentralization. They have WoW mining rewards with you can start mining intensely and earn WoW coin effortlessly. Participate in their decentralized ecosystem and watch your earnings grow. You can check their instant token swapping. Swap tokens directly in your app with fast, secure transactions and low fees. Mine rewards with quest and invite friends to extra rewards. You can WoW chat community by joining this, and you can stake and growth with USDT. Some of their core pillars: WoW and DeFi, WoW Social, which is SocialFi, and WoW Network. And we have some of the partners of WoW Earn. So you can get trust and partners drive growth and innovation with WoW Earn token. So you can be the part of WoW Foundation, become a key contributor to the future of WoW Earn by joining the WoW Foundation, helping and grow this ecosystem, groom its future, and earn reward while you go. Okay, so this was all about today. You can join the WoW, and all you have to do, you can download the wallet from your Google Play Store, Apple Store, and APK files to download it manually, and you can start earning with WoW Earn. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access. Thank you so much for watching. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friend. Thank you so much for watching. Happy earning with WoW Earn.